Today I will show you how to add your character, which is compatible with the UE5 mannequin, using the party game kit in Unreal Engine 5. If your character's skeleton is not compatible with the UE5 mannequin, you may need to retarget and create a new animation blueprint by following other tutorials. However, in this video, I will continue discussing characters that are already compatible with the UE5 mannequin rig. Let's get started. Open the Party Game Kit folder, click on Blueprints, then open the Characters folder. As you can see, there are BP Animals and BPPGK Third Person Character. All gameplay related codes are inside PGK Third Person Character. BP Animals is a child blueprint. The character switching system is inside BP Animals. When we open it, we can see the variables section on the left side. Under Model Settings, we have the Character List Array Current Index and Current Character Mesh. Now, let's go to the Character List Array and add our new character model here. I will use the UE5 Manny model for this. Since I scaled down the skeletal mesh in BP Animals, our character will appear smaller. You need to assign the skeleton of your character to a common skeleton. Right-click on the character you want to use, go to Skeleton, click Assign Skeleton, and select SK Mannequin. Now, let's open the UI folder inside the Party Game Kit. Then, open the Menu folder, and after that, open WBP User. Here, you can set your username and change your character model. Click on Graph in the top right. As you can see, there is a system that updates the character model and displays the current character when you change it. Create a connection from the current character text variable and search for set text. Right-click on Switch on Int and click Add Execution Pin. Enter the name you want to display for your model. Apply the same process to the lower section as well. As you can see, since I had scaled down the skeletal mesh in BP Animals, our Manny character also appears small. However, we have successfully changed the model. If there's anything you didn't understand or if you're experiencing any issues, you can join our Discord using the links in the video description and ask your questions there. Take care and goodbye.